Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add an equipment loan in QuickBooks Online. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account and open your company. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select Chart of Accounts. Click New to create a new account, set the account type to Liabilities, and choose Long-Term Liabilities or Notes Payable. Name it something like Equipment Loan and click Save and Close. Click the Plus New button, then select Journal Entry. In the journal entry, debit your equipment account and credit your equipment loan account. Enter the loan amount. Click Save and Close. Go back to your chart of accounts or run a report to confirm that your loan and equipment are recorded correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added an equipment loan in QuickBooks Online.